recipe. Try this recipe. Add all the basic spices, red chili powder, salt, turmeric, cumin, coriander and mix it well. Now add curd, ginger garlic paste and soya sauce and mix it well. Marinate it for 3 hours. Now pressure cook for 1 vessel. Now take a pan and brush it with butter. Now put the chicken pieces on the pan. Apply butter on the chicken pieces. Try this chicken recipe and let me know in the comment if you like it or not.